Today, we're counting down the 10 best and most reliable Lexus models worth owning after warranty, including current resale values in US and Canadian dollars, so you know exactly what to expect. Number 10. Lexus GS 350, 2013-2019. The GS 350 is a full-size luxury sedan that quietly blends performance, comfort, and long-term dependability. Its smooth 3.5-liter V6 and rear-wheel drive layout provide effortless acceleration and confident handling without the maintenance headaches often seen in German rivals. Owners consistently report surpassing 200,000 miles, with minimal issues thanks to routine maintenance like oil changes, brake servicing, and tire rotations. The interior ages gracefully, with quality materials that resist premature wear, keeping the cabin comfortable and modern for years. When shopping used, listen for any signs of suspension wear or minor oil leaks, though these are rare. A well-maintained GS 350 sells for about $18,000 USD or $24,300 Canadian. It's a stylish, reliable, and comfortable luxury sedan, perfect for someone who wants premium features without post-warranty surprises. Number 9. Lexus RX 350, 2010-2015. The RX 350 is Lexus's best-selling SUV for good reason. Its 3.5-liter V6 engine is nearly bulletproof, paired with a smooth automatic transmission and a suspension tuned for comfort. Families and commuters alike love its reliability, as it rarely encounters major issues, even past 200,000 miles. Interior components like the infotainment system, seats, and trim age vary well, and the cabin remains quiet at highway speeds. Minor issues may include aging window regulators or brake pad wear, but these are inexpensive compared to European SUVs. Clean RX 350 examples sell for around $14,500 USD or $19,600 Canadian. If you want a luxury SUV that won't surprise you with costly repairs after warranty, the RX 350 is an excellent choice. Number 8. Lexus ES 350, 2012-2018. The ES 350 combines the proven Toyota Camry platform with Lexus-level luxury. Smooth and spacious, it's ideal for daily commuting or long-distance drives. Many examples reach over 250,000 miles with only basic maintenance. The ES 350's cabin is exceptionally quiet, and the suspension offers a soft, comfortable ride. Fuel economy is respectable for a mid-sized luxury sedan, and routine maintenance like brake servicing, tire rotations, and oil changes is straightforward and affordable. Current resale averages around $13,800 USD or $18,600 Canadian. If you want a dependable, low-maintenance luxury car that prioritizes comfort, the ES 350 remains one of the smartest post-warranty buys on the market. Number 7. Lexus IS 350, 2014-2019. For drivers who enjoy sharper handling, the IS 350 delivers. Its compact size and durable V6 engine provide a sportier experience than the ES or GS. Despite its sporty edge, the IS 350 maintains Lexus hallmark reliability. Owners often report crossing 200,000 miles with minimal issues, as long as routine maintenance is kept up. Interior materials and electronics tend to age well, and the IS 350's design still feels modern. Known minor issues may include worn suspension bushings, exhaust, or aging brake components, but overall, it's a solid performer. Resale values sit around $20,200 USD or $27,300 Canadian, making it a great option for anyone who wants performance, luxury, and reliability without paying European-level repair costs. Number 6. Lexus NX 300, 2015-2021. The NX 300 brought Lexus into the compact luxury SUV market and has proven reliable and practical. Its turbocharged 4-cylinder engine is durable when serviced regularly, and the interior offers a modern layout with quality finishes. Compared to European compact crossovers, The NX 300 rarely produces unexpected repair bills. Common minor maintenance includes tire rotations, brake service, and occasional software updates for the infotainment system. Expect to pay about $21,500 USD or $29,000 Canadian. It's ideal for buyers seeking a newer Lexus with advanced features, strong safety ratings, and post-warranty peace of mind. Number 5. Lexus GX 460 2010-2020. The GX 460 is essentially a luxury Land Cruiser. Its V8 engine and body-on-frame construction make it tough enough for off-road adventures, while offering a smooth, refined ride. Owners consistently report surpassing 250,000 miles with minimal issues. Cabin materials are durable, and electronics are generally trouble-free if regularly updated. While not the most fuel-efficient SUV, the GX 460 delivers unmatched reliability. Resale averages $24,800 USD, or $33,500 Canadian. For families needing both luxury and durability, it's one of the best post-warranty SUVs available. Number 4. Lexus LS 460 2007-2016. The LS 460 is Lexus' flagship sedan and a benchmark for long-term reliability. It's spacious, quiet, and capable of exceeding 200,000 miles with routine maintenance. Unlike German flagship sedans, the LS 460 retains its luxury feel and refinement, even as mileage climbs. Fuel economy is decent for a full-size sedan, and service needs are predictable, including oil changes, brake maintenance, and minor suspension service. Market prices average $16,700 USD, or $22,500 Canadian. If you want flagship luxury that is dependable, the LS 460 is a top post-warranty choice. Number 3. Lexus RX 450 H Hybrid 2010-2016. The RX 450h Hybrid proves that hybrids can be reliable. Its battery packs often last well past 200,000 miles, and the hybrid system is designed for longevity. Owners enjoy better fuel economy without sacrificing comfort or dependability. Interior materials remain durable, and electronics tend to age well. Minor maintenance may include brake service due to regenerative braking, but otherwise, this SUV is low maintenance. Resale averages $15,900 USD, or $21,500 Canadian. Number 2. Lexus ES 300 H Hybrid 2013-2018. The ES 300H combines ES sedan reliability with hybrid efficiency. Smooth, quiet, and long-lasting, this hybrid rarely experiences issues after warranty. Owners praise its fuel economy and refined ride, making it ideal for commuters or anyone seeking reduced running costs. Known minor maintenance includes brake and tire service, but the hybrid system rarely fails. Prices average $14,200 USD, or $19,200 Canadian. For a dependable hybrid luxury sedan, the ES 300H is an excellent option. Number 1. Lexus LX 570 2008-2021. Topping the list is the LX 570, Lexus's ultimate SUV. Sharing a platform with the Toyota Land Cruiser, it's built to last decades. Owners often surpass 300,000 miles, and even long after warranty, it remains reliable, capable, and luxurious. Interior components are durable, electronics age gracefully, and routine maintenance is straightforward for a vehicle of its size. Current resale is around $35,500 USD, or $47,900 Canadian. Yes, it's a significant investment, but you're buying one of the toughest and most luxurious SUVs ever made. A vehicle that provides unmatched peace of mind and long-term ownership confidence. While many luxury brands become money pits after factory coverage ends, Lexus is different. From sedans like the ES and GS to SUVs like the RX, GX, and LX, these models show that you can enjoy luxury without expensive surprises. Choosing any of these Lexus vehicles means you can own a premium car with confidence, long after the warranty has expired. With predictable maintenance, durable components, and Toyota-engineered reliability. Lexus remains a top choice for post-warranty luxury ownership.